Yep, coming. We've got some new items that are
Absolutely.
Yep, coming in shortly.
Yes. So today we received notification that TRAXXAS has released a new RUSTLER 4x4. Well, new colors for the RUSTLER 4x4.
Well, I guess a RUSTLER 4x4 is a reasonably new car anyway.
Absolutely.
And it is quite beefy because it's like a smaller version of. It looks a bit like a mini T-Max, doesn't it?
Or e-Revo, yeah.
Yeah. So with these new colours, I mean they're quite dynamic. I mean
Yes.
the purple one is probably my favourite at the moment.
Yeah, I would say so. And the silver wheels by the look of it as well. So the RUSTLER has been really popular. We received some stock actually yesterday. We've got a couple of cars in stock now. And yeah, they come in VXL, which is brushless, and brushed as well.
Yes.
So they'll be really good. I believe these colours are mostly for the brushless version.
Yeah.
So
I mean these things fly, particularly on 3 cells.
3 cell is full on. It'll be 100 kilometers an hour car. So keep an eye on those. They should come into store around August 2020. So only a couple of months away. So
exciting.
They'll be live on our website shortly. So if you want to place a pre-order, just jump there. So next one is another RC. So this is a foam tire for 1.8 buggies.
Love speed.
Yes. So you have a bit of experience there.
I have. So I've used these sort of speed tyres before, but they've been belted rubber tyres.
Right.
So these being foams, I guess foams in a way, they can feel a bit more consistent.
Yeah.
Because if the car slides, it feels about the same as it's going forward. So these are exciting to see. And they're designed to fit on the standard 17mm hex.
Yeah.
So it'll fit. Well, what sort of diameter are they going to be?
I think it's a standard buggy tire. I don't have the diameter on me, but it's a buggy tire standard.
So they'll fit on most cars.
Correct. Yeah, absolutely. So this should come in the next probably 3 weeks. So it'll be interesting. So if you're into speed runs and want more grip on your buggy, that's definitely worth trying. And they should be rated over 100 k's an hour.
They look really good. Very stealth.
Yes, definitely.
Yep.
So next, plastic models. So you were talking to me the other day that Wing was actually working on a model similar to this one.
They were. So Wings were working on quite a number of models, and one of the most anticipated ones was this particular, the FOKKER DO1, which is Richthofen's famous plane. Now, with Wings being a bit up in the air, we're not too sure what's happening there at the moment.
Correct.
I guess MENG have taken the opportunity to give people what they're waiting for. So, if you've been looking for a 32nd scale FOKKER to fit the rest of your collection, then MENG's going to obviously make a very good model to add to it.
So we're very much looking forward to this model very soon.
Sure. So that's just been announced. So next interesting item is the entry grade. Yeah. So the idea is it's to introduce kids into building kits.
Absolutely.
So you've got your Bandai, the high grade range, and then you've got your SD range, which are simple. But for really young kids,
it can be difficult still.
That's right.
Yeah.
And sometimes they take too long to build, and the kids can lose patience as well.
Yeah.
So these are going to be really simple. They're all pre-colored as you expect from Bandai.
Bandai,
they're going to have less bits, no glue, and then they just press together, and they have simplified joints as well. So you can still play around them, repose them, and they'll be great to get the kids involved.
Absolutely.
And to keep it interesting, so they're releasing, the first one's going to be this particular Bandai RX-78.
Yep.
But they're going to mix it up with a few other sorts of subjects as well, just to make it a bit more interesting.
Right.
So there's going to be Pokemon.
Right, which is actually in fact here.
There you go. So you got Pac-Man. It's going to be released, so a bit of retro chic there.
Yep.
You know, everyone knows about Pac-Man. You know, some of us oldies have actually played it as well. And then you got Pokemon, because Pokemon, what? There's a game getting released. What was it again?
Pokemon Snap.
Pokemon Snap. Okay, so that's also retro as well. But
Absolutely.
But for us oldies, it's new as well.
Coming back.
So it's new.
Yeah.
But there's going to be all these different characters in the same series. So
the range is quite large. It's probably 10 different characters from memory. So
yes, that's right.
We have just a selection here. So that will be an interesting release, actually, quite something different.
Yes. So that's going to be around about Christmas time. So it's something to look forward to.
Very good. So next, BBR models. So BBR has released quite a few new cars against this week. Looks like they are on a roll.
Yes.
There's probably 5 or 6 cars every week.
Yep.
So this is another Ferrari F8 Spider in yellow. Is a bit of a deeper yellow, I guess.
Looks a bit pearl, doesn't it?
Yeah, a bit pearly. So that's going to come later in the year. I think this has got some. I think they call them diamond wheels. So what they've been doing recently is releasing the same car with a different combination of wheels, colors, and interiors as well. So there's quite a few variations of the same let's call it chassis as such.
Yes.
So
Oh wow.
Ferrari 400 Super America, 1962. So that's a bit of a classic.
It is.
Again,
It's
19
interesting.
scale.
It's definitely got the 60s and late 50s styling to
Correct.
it. It's got a touch of Mercedes Gullwing in there.
It does indeed, yeah.
Yeah, and a bit of Porsche.
And that's going to be silver again, metallic silver. So it's going to be quite nice.
Classical colour.
I think this is even a very limited edition, maybe even 22 or so from memory.
The wire wheels on it?
Yes, it does.
Yeah,
it
wow.
does. So that's going to be really nice.
Yep.
Next one is another F8, as I was saying before.
Yep.
That's a different version. That one before was a spider and was yellow. This one
Mhm.
is red and it's red, metallic red. Again, different, same wheels with the diamond wheels.
Yep.
And the last one is actually display case.
Right.
So this is an LED display case, which is going to be really, really nice.
Okay, so it's quite wide, so you could even put in little trophies on the side.
Absolutely, yeah. So you can put
Okay.
a bit of extra detail in there,
Yes.
and obviously it doesn't come with a car, but it'll
Yep.
be a display case, which should arrive very soon as well. Make a bit of a nice addition to your racing high-end diecast.
Oh, definitely.
Diecast or racing
And
cars.
well, these cases are really a must-have as well, because
Absolutely.
you don't want the dust settling on
Correct.
the really nice painted finishes.
Absolutely.
Mm.
So
Nice addition.
good. So that is for today news.